masking off the window this time, so the cleanup will be easier. Didn't lose the glasses in the canal this time. Someone asked if I'm ambidextrous. Yes, but I write and paint with my left hand most of the time. The fish were nibbling on my feet and freaking me out. Definitely needed the 2 tubes of adhesive. Once it's cured, I'll remove the glass clamps and test the port aft window to see if I need to do this all again with the other window. I'm hoping the other window just needs the sealant, and we can finally go sail. Concrete and 51-year-old bones are not friends. I'm going to need a chiropractor after this. Maybe a spa day. The tide was finally high during the day, so the window was much easier to reach.
也就是现在，不是个梦，一个也不闲，羡慕有些人。